So we will prepare the spinach pie, Greek traditional recipe that we usually make when we have a special occasion, like wedding, engagement. This is something that we can't miss. First of all, we will prepare the dough, then we prepare the filling, and at the end I will show you how we could do the filo layers. We have a little bit of salt. We always put a little bit of salt here, and then we add a little bit more when we do the filling. Then we have vinegar. The vinegar makes the dough nice and elastic. And we also have olive oil. And you mix it. And then we add the water slowly. Put a little bit more, you collect all this, like this. So now your dough is ready, yes? You take the dill and you chop it small. And then we divide this one in small parts. That is still. And everything here again. So we put pepper, salt, we put olive oil, and we have milk. Okay, and then we have feta cheese. And you crack the eggs. Okay, so we add a little bit of olive oil here. We spread it everywhere. So you put a little bit of flour, you do the same. We put flour so it's not sticky. When we put the dough later, it's not sticky. Now our dough is nice and elastic. If you see here how nice, yes? Okay. With the stick we are trying to make it a little bit bigger, this one. So again, we roll it back and forth, okay? Yes, like this. Now we could fill the pie. Okay, we put 2 layers. We put 2 layers at the bottom. Between them we add a little bit of olive oil. Then we add the filling, 1 more layer of filo, more filling, and then 2 more layers, and your pie is ready. So now we put it here. We put the first one. Okay, you add a little bit of olive oil. It's like a glue, it sticks the 2 layers together. Now you bring this one here. Always with the stick, you roll it, always with the stick. And you put it here again. Very nice. Then we add filling. We add filling, okay? And you put it here.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. Okay. And then we need 2 more layers of filling. We will cut all this extra dough now. A little bit of olive oil again. And then we fold it here.
With your finger you make the borders.
I do the borders, and then before we put it in the oven, we cut a little bit only the upper layer. A nice diploma for you. Yes, congratulations.